I completely understand the position that you're in. You want to make your car look fast. There does come a very big issue with having a fast vehicle though. Money. And it may be money that you don't have. In that case, just make your car look fast. It's so much easier. And I'm going to show you how to do it with just a marker. I will say this, clean your vehicle before you do anything to it, before you mess around with the paint in any way. Clean it. You're just gonna smear dirt around everywhere if you don't clean. The first thing you should always do when making your car a race car is establish a name. What is your car called? A Cadillac Eldorado? Boring. There are about 100 million thousand of those. So you gotta be creative. By the way, I'm using this auto drive window marker. And yes, I know it says window marker, and I'm putting it on the quarter panel. Shouldn't be that bad. And just like that, your car now has a name. Now here's where it gets a little tedious, so just stick around. You're gonna have to do it again! The next thing you don't want to do is boast what you've got under the hood. What are you gonna do when people ask, what you got under there? What are you gonna say? I don't know? No, you gotta say, read and weep. Now here's where it gets a little fun. Make up like your own class of what car you're in, or what class your car is in. You know, you could do like, this is loser class. Something that most race cars have are numbers. So think up like your favorite number and write it on there. And just like that, a number that is special to you. And just like that, that right there is how you pretend that you have a race car. Now, I know what you're thinking. Well, yeah, it's cool to pretend that I do have a race car, but it's a lot of effort. And I may as well just buy a real race car. Yeah, you're probably right.